Caleb, you a punk. Yes, you is. You won't fight me. You won't fight me. Come fight me then, if you ain't no punk. Caleb, come here, man. I got something to tell you. Caleb, come here. Come here.
Another big. Not a big. That's right, I'm gonna get a bag and my mom gonna really with my mama belt and it's gonna be hiding. And look at me. You want me to take the fall for you? Another big.
Caleb, you crazy, man. You are crazy.